If you're like me, you love winter travel, but sometimes packing can be a headache. With winter travel, you have to be ready for anything. And in this video, we'll go over how to pack light while maximizing your space. Hi, I'm Samori over at Meriwool, and I'll be going over my checklist of 7 things to help while packing for winter travel. My first thing to check for is the weather. I'm asking myself, where am I going? Do I have a layover? And am I stopping at any other location? Once I have mapped out my destination or destinations, I look at my phone to see the weather for the next 7 days. Now this step is crucial because it's going to provide you with any insight on what to expect. Now the 2 things I look for are one, the temperature. The temperature will allow me to identify how cold it's going to be from the morning into the night, and this will allow me to prepare for what gear I should take. And then secondly, the wind and any other potential factors that could change the weather drastically. Understanding the importance of where you're going will guarantee you from disliking the cold and staying cozy. The second item on my checklist is to understand what type of luggage you can take. Now, whether you're going on a road trip or traveling by plane, it's important to understand what type of luggage you can take. In my case, I'm preparing a winter travel plan through an airplane, so I know my carry-on is approximately this size. It's light, it's fast, and when going through airports, most of the time, it doesn't even require getting checked in. So I know I'm in and out. And I would also suggest checking your airline carrier for any specifications on what you can bring and the cost. Now, my third item on my checklist is to think underwear. While traveling to cold destinations, it's important to begin thinking what bottom layer. This next skin base layer will help maintain your body extra warm and provide breathability to move comfortably in the cold. Now I start with Merino Wool briefs that are super comfortable and gives you extra length of warmth. Although overlooked, a good pair of Merino Wool briefs go a long way in the cold, and they're easy to fold. For my winter travel packing, I usually have a decision to make. Is it going to be cold or really cold? This is where the temperature comes into effect. If the weather conditions look like they're going to be cold without any snowstorms or wind factors, then my choice of base layer is a mid-weight Merino Wool top and bottom. Why Merino Wool? Well, this material is more expensive than your traditional cotton or synthetic material, but provides natural superfine wool that comes with cool properties like sweat absorbent, extra warmth, and odor free. All great benefits I'm going to need when I'm traveling and wearing these items for more than 2 days straight and keeping my luggage light. If I'm going to colder conditions, then I pack my heavyweight Merino Wool. Now this translates to thicker material and assures me the same properties made for colder conditions. At the end of the day though, if I'm unsure or the type of person to get cold easily, then it doesn't hurt to take both weights. The fourth thing on my checklist is focus on mid-layering. This is the second line of defense against the cold. Now you can mix and match your own jackets and sweaters, but again, it all depends on temperature and weather conditions. Now my cold isn't the same as your cold, and that's all subjective to each individual. So let me show you how I use my mid-layers. I take my insulation jacket. This jacket is awesome to retain warmth from any base layer, but also light and easy to pack. Now, if you need a jacket with a different look and feel, then I pack my Merino Wool half zip jacket. The goal for this mid layer is to provide extra warmth and to be versatile, so you can add and remove layers however you like. My fifth item on the checklist is to make sure you take an outer shell. Now this piece goes hand in hand with the weather. If it's snowing, then you're going to want to have a snow jacket. If it's raining, then you're going to have a rain jacket. And if you get cold easily, an outer shell jacket will help you beat the cold with the rest of your layers. This is your first line of defense, so it's important to understand the weather conditions. I'll be traveling to a snowboarding location. I'll be taking my snow jacket and my snow pants. My recommendation is to pack the pants and carry your jacket. And if you have enough space, then put them both inside your luggage. The sixth item on my checklist is one of my favorites, and it's accessories. Accessories comes in so many different forms and is underestimated in the cold. Let me start from the top and work my way to the bottom. So who doesn't love a good beanie in the winter? Okay, I usually pack 2 to 3 different colors and it gives me different looks, plus the heat provided to my head is very important. Another cool accessory for the slopes or cold weather is a neck gaiter. This Merino Wool neck gaiter is a lifesaver. Provides all the warmth and protection I need coming down the hill or for colder conditions. Plus, I can use it to cover my nose and ears as well. If you're experiencing freezing temperatures, then I would suggest using a ski mask rather than a neck gaiter. Provides more protection all around. My other go-to accessory is a good pair of Merino Wool glove liners to complement a good pair of snow gloves. While wearing the glove liners under the snow gloves, your hands will have an extra layer of warmth at all times. And as an added bonus, you can still scroll on your phone. My last recommendation goes hand in hand, and that is a good pair of waterproof boots and a great merino wool sock. Now the boots you can look at as your outer layer that'll protect your feet from snow, water, and coldness from coming in. Now the socks will act as a base layer and will give your skin warmth to keep your feet warm. If you're traveling to colder temperatures, then I suggest looking for specialized boots that come with an extra layer of insulation within the boots. Now, shoes and socks are very important to make sure your body stays warm and maintains warm circulation. The seventh and last thing on my checklist is my self-care items. For example, I had this small travel toiletry bag for years, and it's helped me so many times because I get the opportunity to put things like toothpaste, toothbrush, shaving cream, disposable shaver, body wash, shampoo, conditioner that are all under the TSA requirements of 3.4 ounces. But some things that might not come to mind right away are chapstick, which helps your lips stay moist in the cold, or lotion to help with dry skin because of the colder conditions. Also, I like to pack vitamin C, Pepto-Bismol, and aspirin just in case a difficult situation might arise. I hope you enjoyed my checklist of 7 things to help while packing for winter travel. And for more videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notifications on our next videos. Stay cozy.